Did you know that eating this together with chili peppers can actually harm your health? Chili peppers, known as a treasure trove of vitamins and a miraculous food for boosting health, have both perfect and poor food combinations. Even such a beneficial food like chili peppers needs to be eaten properly to be good for your body. If you eat it with foods that are bad for your health, it can actually compromise your well-being. That's why I've prepared this for you. To help prevent immune and brain health issues, I will tell you about the 3 worst and the 3 best food combinations with chili peppers. Hello everyone. This is your Dr. John. Are there any of you who haven't subscribed yet? Please subscribe and hit the like button right now. Share this video with your loved ones. And please introduce Dr. John to many others. I will continue to deliver the best health information for you. Today's star on our table, which can never be missed, includes green peppers, chipotle, jalapeno, habanero, as well as extremely spicy Carolina Reaper. So today's star is chili peppers. When there is a big temperature difference and the weather changes rapidly, it's easy to catch a cold due to lower immunity. Have you heard that you should eat chili peppers when you catch a cold? It's true. Surprisingly, chili peppers are packed with 18 times more vitamin C than apples. And they are also full of beta-carotene, which is excellent for antioxidants. This is why chili peppers are called the treasure trove of vitamins. Moreover, the spicy capsaicin in chili peppers generates heat in your body and boosts metabolism, making it something you must consume right now. But focus here. Did you know that even such healthy chili peppers can be harmful when eaten with certain foods? So, from now on, let's find out the 3 worst food combinations with chili peppers that are bad for immune and brain health, and the 3 best food combinations. The first food that is the worst combination with chili peppers is none other than soybean paste and soy sauce. Were you surprised? Dipping crunchy chili peppers in soybean paste or soy sauce is tasty and refreshing. Some even marinate chili peppers in them. While soybean paste is a very healthy fermented food, it is not good to eat chili peppers this way. The reason is the high sodium content in soybean paste and soy sauce. As mentioned earlier, chili peppers are a treasure trove of vitamins. Packed with immense amounts of vitamin C, B, and A. Especially, 100 grams of green chili peppers contains almost 50 milligrams of vitamin C, making it comparable to many fruits in terms of high content. Therefore, chili peppers are great for anti-aging, fatigue recovery, and improving vision. Moreover, chili peppers are a perfect food with balanced nutrition, including protein, lipids, dietary fiber, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and potassium. On the other hand, soybean paste and soy sauce are well known for their excellent health-boosting properties. In fact, one of the top 10 rules for preventing health issues includes eating soybean paste and soy sauce made from fermented soybeans. When soybeans are fermented into soybean paste and soy sauce, they inhibit the growth of harmful cells in the body, remove cholesterol from the blood, and make blood vessels elastic and strong. They even eliminate carcinogens, restore liver function, and detoxify the body. However, here's the key point. While both soybean paste and chili peppers are very healthy, the problem is that the sodium and sugars in soy sauce destroy the abundant vitamins in chili peppers. If you eat chili peppers to boost your health, dipping them in soybean paste or marinating them in soy sauce as pickles is useless. Of course, moderate sodium intake is good for excreting waste and regulating body fluids. However, our diet already includes many salty side dishes. So you need to be particularly careful. Excessive sodium intake can lead to a sudden increase in blood pressure. Therefore, to fully absorb the vitamins in chili peppers and boost your immune system, it is best not to dip them in soybean paste. Instead, enjoy the spicy flavor of raw chili peppers. The first food I recommend as the best combination with chili peppers is anchovies. Stir-fried anchovies almost always include chili peppers. The spicy flavor of chili peppers enhances the umami taste of anchovies. However, the combination of anchovies and chili peppers is not only great for taste, but also for nutrition. Anchovies, known as the king of calcium, are rich in calcium as well as a mineral called phosphorus. This phosphorus helps remove waste from our bodies and activates vitamins and enzymes, giving us vibrant energy. But here's the problem. Phosphorus can inhibit calcium absorption. So, if you only eat anchovies, although you consume a lot of calcium, phosphorus takes it away, and the actual calcium absorption in your body is low. That's where chili peppers come in. The iron in chili peppers boosts the calcium absorption rate from anchovies to the maximum. The abundant nutrients in chili peppers perfectly complement the vitamins and nutrients that anchovies lack. And that's not all. Anchovies contain fats, and these fats help your body absorb all the beta-carotene, the miraculous antioxidant found in chili peppers. Wait a minute. Here's a tip for our precious subscribers. Beta-carotene in chili peppers is a fat-soluble component. So if you stir-fry chili peppers and anchovies lightly in oil, you can maximize the nutritional benefits. The second worst way to eat chili peppers is pickle. Pickling chili peppers in sweet soy sauce or making them into pickles makes them taste tangy and salty. But here's the problem. These pickled chili peppers are loaded with sodium, salt, sugar, and soy sauce. If you look at the recipes, they often call for equal parts sugar and soy sauce. You already know that excessive sugar intake is not good for your health. But why is it particularly bad when combined with chili peppers? It's because excessive sugar cancels out the anti-inflammatory benefits of chili peppers. Chili peppers contain the spicy compound capsaicin, which inhibits the growth of harmful cells in the body and eliminates chronic inflammation throughout the body. This is why chili peppers are considered top-notch health-boosting food. However, if you pickle chili peppers with a lot of sugar, this anti-inflammatory effect is significantly reduced. Chili peppers are especially effective in alleviating arthritis. But eating them as sugary pickles or preserved in soy sauce negates these benefits. So, from now on, don't eat good chili peppers as sweet and salty pickles. Instead, enjoy them with foods that complement their nutritional benefits. The second food I recommend is the best combination with chili peppers as sweet potatoes. When eaten together, sweet potatoes and spicy chili peppers not only taste great, but also complement each other nutritionally. This combination is excellent for digestion and, more importantly, it is a powerful remedy for reducing inflammation in the body. The secret lies in the seeds of chili peppers. When making chili powder, dried chili peppers are ground together with the seeds. These chili seeds capsaicin but also over 25% unsaturated fatty acids. Unlike unhealthy saturated fats, the healthy unsaturated fats in chili seeds reduce bodily damage and filter out waste, purifying the blood. Moreover, capsaicin in chili peppers aids the growth of lactic acid bacteria, making them perfect for health. While spicy dishes are beneficial due to the chili powder, it is often served with other spices, so resulting in extremely high sodium content. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, which helps excrete sodium from the body. When you eat sweet potatoes with spicy chili pepper dishes, the balance of sodium and potassium is just right, reducing the risk of high blood pressure and arteriosclerosis. Additionally, the capsaicin in chili peppers aids in the digestion of sweet potatoes, which can be dry and excessively fibrous, helping the body absorb the good nutrients more effectively. This makes sweet potatoes and chili peppers a perfect match. The third worst food combination with chili peppers is lemon or vinegar. Were you surprised? Recently, a losing weight trend involving water mixed with lemon juice or vinegar in chili powder has gained popularity as the name of detox juice. While capsaicin in chili powder is praised for its weight loss benefits, this combination is particularly harmful to those with weak stomachs. You might be wondering why. It's well known that chili peppers aid digestion and protect the stomach. This is true. Chili peppers are excellent for digestion, to the extent that they are used as an ingredient in digestive aids. Additionally, capsaicin in chili peppers helps prevent and regenerate aging brain cells. One cause of cognitive decline is the oxidation and aging of brain cell membranes. Consuming chili peppers helps prevent this aging and maintains cognitive functions, ensuring the brain and nerve system work properly. Therefore, it's true that you should include chili peppers in your diet for weight loss and cognitive health. However, focus here, consuming too much capsaicin can damage the stomach lining and cause stomach cramps. When you combine it with highly acidic lemon or vinegar, the risk increases significantly. Moreover, drinking lemon or vinegar water with chili powder, especially on an empty stomach for weight loss, is extremely dangerous and should never be done. The third and final best food combination with chili peppers is soybeans and tofu. Here comes the most important key point of today's video. The combination of beans, tofu, and chili peppers is a miraculous method not only for preventing health issues but also for improving hair growth. When you eat chili peppers with certain foods, they activate a hormone called IGF-1, which stimulates the hair follicle cells, promoting hair growth. That special food is soybean and tofu. The isoflavones in soybean combined with the capsaicin in chili peppers create a miraculous synergy, preventing hair loss and combating aging. Moreover, the spicy capsaicin in chili peppers is so effective that it's almost considered an anti-aging agent. It selectively targets and inhibits the growth of unwanted cells while leaving healthy cells untouched. It even induces self-destruction in these cells, providing significant health benefits. When combined with beans or tofu, this effect is maximized, making it essential to include both in your diet. Here's a quick note. While chili peppers are excellent, if you are on cholesterol medication, you need to be careful. Cholesterol and blood pressure medications often contain statins, which inhibit cholesterol synthesis. Statins can conflict with the beta-carotene in chili peppers, reducing the effectiveness of the medication. Therefore, if you are taking cholesterol medication, wait about 2 hours before consuming chili peppers. We've now learned about the 3 worst and the 3 best food combinations with chili peppers. Let's summarize together. To get the most health benefits from chili peppers, avoid dipping them in sodium-rich sauces like soybean paste or soy sauce. Instead, eat them raw. Remember, chili peppers and anchovies are a perfect match, so be sure to enjoy them together. Instead of eating pickled chili peppers, pair them with sweet potatoes for a healthy combination. Lastly, avoid eating spicy chili peppers with lemon or vinegar. Instead, combine them with beans or tofu to maximize their miraculous health benefits. How does that sound? By preparing chili peppers with the right food combinations, you can protect and improve your health. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. And don't forget to share it with your precious family and friends. I always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. John. Thank you.